Yes, so I have a book called Inspirations and Praise, and I think it was about the third year after I started writing and posting on social media, God brought it to my attention that it was time to put it in the form of a book. So it is officially on Amazon as an ebook. So what it is just, I've written hundreds of prayers and poems, so it's just a small collection. It's a 64-page book. There are some of the pages have like a poem on one side and scripture on the other. Some of the pages have a poem on each side. Most of the pages are a landscape page, so when you open the book, it's going to be a spread of like a beautiful landscape with maybe a sunset or whatever. So the pictures kind of match the theme of the poems and prayers, and I really hope that it brings people great joy and inspiration, and I think it'd be wonderful for people to use it maybe as maybe a meditation, or what do I want to say, devotion in the morning. They could, just like you do on a daily devotional or whatever, open to one page and just meditate on that prayer or that poem for the day, and then the next day flip to another page and meditate on another one, and be a way to help, bring that inspiration into their life. And I also think it would make a great gift for like confirmations or, somebody that's going through something or some sort of special occasion. I think it'd make a great gift too for somebody you want to share space with or messages with.